style. Did your friends just come and hang out?
Hi guys! Today I'm going to show you my anti-aging skincare routine for morning and night. What I decided to do is just film throughout the week little clips of what I'm doing for skincare because it really changes every day depending on what my skin needs. But there are some products and devices that I don't sway away from, so I really took my time to figure out how to put this video together for you guys so that I'm not telling you products that I use once in a while. I really want you to see what I'm using to get my almost 55-year-old skin with no Botox, no fillers, no injectables, and no, I'm not leaving anything out. I've never had anything done. I've never tried Botox, I've never tried fillers. Not that I never would, I'm not saying that I never will try it, but I don't think so. And I have nothing against it. I just really feel like the collagen stimulating products that I'm using at home are working amazing. The first product that I swear by and I've been using for years is the Nera Laser. This video is sponsored by them, so I will be able to give you guys a discount code and I will link it to the top comment and in the description box. The Nera Laser is a painless at-home fractional laser that is FDA cleared. It is completely painless and clinically proven to reduce wrinkles. This has so many benefits and they even give a 90-day money-back guarantee. The Nera Laser will stimulate collagen, lift hooded eyes, help with acne scars, dark spots, hyperpigmentation. I use it around my eyes, the nasolabial folds, up the corners of my mouth. This is where I really focus on, above my lip, between my eyes, and then around my eyebrows. I also have a few dark spots on my chest that I like to focus on. I definitely have seen a reduction in the dark spots, but you guys, like with anything, you have to be consistent. I went probably 2 months when I was going through a move and just a lot was going on in my life that I did not use this. I was really slacking on all my skincare and I saw it in my skin. I saw it in my face. And as soon as I started up all my skincare and devices again, I could see a huge difference. My skin looked completely different. I have very dark circles under my eyes and I love that I can use this close to under my eyes to plump up that collagen under my eyes. You turn it on with this button on the bottom and then you hit it again and it will give you different strength levels. I actually keep it on the first or the second level. You can use this morning and night, just 2 minutes a day. It is so quick, so easy, so worth it. You can even use this on the back of your hands for anti-aging on your hands. They also have a hyaluronic acid serum that is perfect to use after the Nera Laser. I totally recommend this product, you guys. I stand by the Nera Laser. I have been using it for years and seen amazing results. Before I get into the actual nightly skincare routine, I'm going to show you all of the other products that I have been using for years and swear by. This is the LED mask that I use at least 5 nights a week from 15 to 30 minutes at a time. I like to alternate between the red light, which stimulates collagen, the green light, which helps with melasma and reduces dark spots, and the blue light will get rid of bacteria and help if you have acne or a day where you're having a major breakout. Another one of my must-have products is this Sleep and Glow Orthopedic Anti-Aging Pillow. I have also been using this for years and I cannot sleep without it. Not only does it help prevent sleep wrinkles, but it helps with neck pain and keeps my eyelash extensions looking great for night after night. This is the Gin Amber Beauty Gua Sha tool and I try to use this every single night. I like to use this jojoba oil to really lubricate my skin so there's absolutely no tugging. Not only does this give your face an amazing massage, you never realize how sore the muscles are in your face and how much they really need massaging, especially around your jaw. But it also reduces inflammation, it restores circulation, it stimulates the lymphatic system, and it really helps to lift your skin almost immediately. You can do this morning and night, the more the better. This is a 0.50 millimeter Derma Roller that I use once a week. This is also from Gin Amber Beauty. Make sure that you start off with a clean face. I like to use like a witch hazel or alcohol or something to make sure my skin is really sterilized before using these needles. This is not painful at all. You can even start off with a 0.25 millimeter, which you barely even feel. That is great for serum penetration. Also, derma rolling is great for large pores, hyperpigmentation, stretch marks, hair loss. You can use it around the eye area, but definitely use the 0.25. It's great for wrinkles and shallow scars, and you can even go to the higher millimeter derma roller for deep body scars or stretch marks. And she has a chart that shows you exactly how often to use it and for what purpose you're using it. After derma rolling, I use Gin Amber Beauty's Rose Water Spray and this amazing superfood sheet mask. It is so cooling and calming to the skin. I leave it on my face until it really starts to dry out and then just leave all of the products all over my skin. All of her products are clean, they're paraben-free, fragrance-free, they are vegan and toxic-free. I also use Grande Lash, which is an eyelash growth and health serum on my eyelashes and eyebrows. It has definitely made a huge difference. If you feel like your skin is dry or irritated, you are going to love this. Next, I use Gin Amber's Natural Peptide Serum, and I follow that up with her 10% vitamin C and squalane repair cream. All of these products are totally safe to use right after derma rolling. Another once a week part of my skincare routine is shaving my face. I love this Panasonic battery operated face shaver. I have been using this for years. It's super gentle and it gets rid of all that little peach fuzz. You can even use this for the little hairs in your nose. Every night I do a double cleansing. I absolutely love these facial tissues. They're made of biodegradable wood pulp. And first I use the Garnier Micellar Water. I do specifically only use the rose because that is the only one that is clean and non-toxic. I then follow that up with a cleanser. I love the Gin Amber Beauty Natural Exfoliating Cleanser. I absolutely love these microfiber washcloths. They come in so many different colors. Then a few seconds for the Lash and Brow Growth Serum. A few nights a week, I don't use any moisturizer at all. I only use Gin Amber's Rose Water Spray because I'm trying to force my skin to moisturize itself. About once a week, I do use the Ren Healing Balm, which is so hydrating, so it almost confuses my skin into having the perfect balance. This Cafe Gommage mask is so gentle, you can use it every day if you want. It's anti-inflammatory and it helps with swelling and redness. It's even great for acne-prone or sensitive skin. Now I'm going to show you guys my super easy no-wash skincare routine. When I first get up, I brush my teeth and then I just take a little bit of water to get the sleepies out of my eyes. Then I spray my skin with Gin Amber's Rose Water Spray and I use her Tinted sunscreen. This is so moisturizing and good for your skin. It is toxic free and protects your skin from both UVA and UVB rays. Thank you again to NIRA for offering a discount code, Beauty by Lisa, so you guys can try the NIRA 90-day money back guarantee challenge. All of the products will be linked below in the description box and also pinned to the top comment. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Let me know if you guys use or love or are excited to try any of these products down in the comments. Thank you so much for watching, you guys. Bye!